Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to train AI art model with Leonardo AI. So first thing is you're going to have to go to leonardo.ai, and after that you just have to create your own account. Once you have created your own account, you'll be redirected to this home page. Now we're just going to go here and we're going to click training and datasets, and then we're going to create a new dataset. We're going to name this one to anything. So in my case, my dataset is going to be Jillian Ward. So I'm going to name Jillian Ward. And then it's up to you if you're going to put description. I'm just going to skip that part. All right, there you go. So the next thing is we're going to upload an image. So I already have a set of images here. I'm just going to drag them and put them here. So there are a total of 39 images. So the maximum is 40. Alright, this one, she's a very popular actress in the Philippines, and I want to use her in this particular project. Now, after uploading those, we're just going to click this one here, train model. And then here again, we already have a name. So the model name is going to be Jillian Ward. And then for the training resolution, I'm not going to change that. For the category, let's click this one here, and we're going to choose character. Now, after that one, we're going to have a model description. It's up to you what you're going to do there. I'm just going to basically skip that part. So for stable diffusion, also base model, you have two options. In my case, since the training resolution is 512 by 512, I'm just going to have version 1.5. And then prompt. So this is very important. Here, you'll have to write something. For example, in my case, I'm going to type Jillian Ward Laura, something like that. And then I'm going to click start training. And then it says here that it will be in progress, and then you will just receive an email once it's done. You can just click here, view job status, in order for you to see it. So as you can see here, it's processing. We'll just have to wait for this one. Okay, seems like we are done now. We're going to try to click home, and we're going to try and use that one. Okay, now that we are here, we're just going to continue with this one. We're going to click Dream Shaper, for example, and we're going to click generate with this model. Alright, and then here you see their fine-tuned model. We're going to click this one here. We're going to scroll down until we see select custom model. Alright, this is our model. We're going to use this one. We're going to click view, and we're going to click generate with this model. And then from this point forward, you can then start generating your own AI image. So basically, you're just going to follow the same process as how you would usually do when you are going to generate with the pre-existing model here in Leonardo AI. And yeah, congratulations. Here are some of the samples of the image that I have generated using this particular model that we have trained earlier. So take a look at here, for example. So these are some of them. And basically, it's a result of that very short time that we have. So you can see here that there's a little bit of a distortion going on. But don't worry, you will be able to fix that, especially if you're going to use a negative prompt and you're going to upgrade with photoreal and also with the alchemy. And congratulations, everyone. That's basically how you're going to train an AI art model with Leonardo AI.